Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can create a Gmail account. So Gmail is a free email service provided by Google. From Gmail you can send different email messages, attach different files and send it to people all around the world. It's mainly used by offices nowadays. So to create a Gmail account, the first thing you have to do is open your browser and go to gmail.com. Once you get to gmail.com, you land on the sign in interface. Here, if you have a Gmail account, you can sign in, but to create a Gmail account, on the bottom left corner you can see an option labeled as create an account. Tap on that. Now you need to choose an option why you want to create a Gmail account, whether it is for yourself, it's for your children, or it's for your business. So if it's for yourself, tap on for myself. Then you land on an e-form. Here you need to fill in your details and create a username for your Gmail account. So enter your details. Once you create a username for yourself, create a password for your Gmail account. Once you create a username and create a password and then confirm the password for your email account, tap on the next button. Then Google will ask you for your phone number, so enter your phone number in the phone number section. Once you enter your phone number, tap on the next button. Once you do that, Google will send a verification code to your mobile number, so wait for the verification code to arrive. Once you receive the verification code, enter it in the verification code section. Once you enter the verification code, click on the verify button. Once you verify your phone number, then you'll have an option to add a recovery email. Then you'll need to enter your date of birth and a gender, so please do that. Once you fill in all the details, what you need to do is tap on the next button. Then you'll land on an interface like this. Once you land on this interface, you can choose whether you want to receive video calls and messages on your Gmail account, or do you want to add Google services including ads and many other relevant things for you. If you want to do that, tap on the yes button. Then you land on the privacy and terms page of Google, so go through the terms and conditions of Google, scroll down and read them all. Once you go through the terms and conditions, tap on the I agree button. Once you tap on the I agree button and Google checks all your credentials, you land on the Gmail homepage. So you have successfully created a Gmail for yourself. Enjoy using it. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.